Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School online education. I am glad to welcome all of you in a new session of mathematics. Here we are going to start our day with a meaningful thought. Today's thought is focus on where you want to go, not on what you fear. Yes, my dear students, overcome your fear, break out your comfort zone, and be focused about your future. A very large best of luck to all my dear tiny students. Again, you all are welcome to my class. How are you all, my dear? You all are fine and safe? Very good. You all are enjoying your learning? Very nice. So now, get ready to make revision of Essay 1. First of all, everyone sit straight. Make your back straight. Very good. Is all the essential stationery with you? Your notebook, compass, pencil. Very good. Write down today's date and day in this corner. Write the date and day. After that, write revision Essay 1. In previous 2 lectures also, I told you that if possible, then prepare a revision book. If not possible, then in Maths Fair book, prepare a part of revision and note down each and every revision work over there. Note down the heading REVISION, revision Essay 1. Completed? Very good. Syllabus for Essay 1 is chapter 1 to 6 and table of 1 to 5. Now, write down the heading, write number names. WRITE, write. NUMBER, number. NAMES, number names. Write number names. In previous 2 lectures, we complete the revision of fill in the blanks. Today onwards, we are going to start revision of number names, where we make revision of number names from 51 to 100. First of all, we are going to write number names from 51 to 60. Write down the heading number name 51 to 60. NUMBER, number. NAME, name. 51 to 60. Now listen, my dear students, you all are writing in a square line book. So how you have to write? After finishing one line, you have to leave one line. Okay? First of all, write number 51. 51. Completed? Very good. Now write the spelling. F I F T Y 50 ONE 51. Everyone, first of all, write number 51. After that, write the spelling for the same, which is FIFTY 50 ONE 1. Completed? You all have to write, huh? If completed, then leave one line and write the new number. 5 to 52. Write the number 52. Now tell me, what is the spelling of 52? It is FIFTY 50 TWO 52. First of all, write number 5 to 52. Just beside that, write the spelling FIFTY 50 TWO 2. Now leave one line and then write the new number. 5353. Everyone, write down the number 5353. Is everyone completed? Very good. Now, just beside that, write down spelling. This is called number name. FIFTY 50 THREE 3 53. Completed, everyone? 5353. FIFTY 50 THREE 3 53. Leave one line and then write the new number. 54. 5 4 54. Write the spelling. FIFTY 50 FOUR 4 54. Write down the spelling. FIFTY 50 FOUR 4. You all are writing with me now. So, have you completed your writing part till now? Very good. Leave one line and then write a new number. 5, 5, 55. Write down the number 55. Completed? Very good. Now write down the spelling. F-I-F-T-Y 50, F-I-V-E 5, 55. The number is 5555. Spelling is F-I-F-T-Y 50, F-I-V-E 5. Leave one line and then write new number. 5, 6, 56. Everyone write down the number 5, 6, 56. What is the spelling for that? It is F-I-F-T-Y 50, S-I-X 6. Everyone write down and read along with me. 5, 6, 56. F-I-F-T-Y 50, S-I-X 6. Everyone, have you completed your work? Very good. Now, leave one line and write the new one. 5, 7, 57. Completed? Write down the number 5, 7, 57. Now write down the number name. F-I-F-T-Y 50, S-E-V-E-N 7. 57. First of all, write down the number 5, 7, 57. After that, write down the number name. F-I-F-T-Y 50, S-E-V-E-N 7. Completed? Very good. Leave one line and then write the new number. 5, 8, 58. Everyone, write down the number 5, 8, 58. Now write down the number name. F-I-F-T-Y 50, E-I-G-H-T 8, 58. Everyone, copy the number and the number name 5858. The number name is F-I-F-T-Y 50, E-I-G-H-T 8, 58. Leave one line and then write new number. Five, 9, 59. Write down the number 5, 9, 59. Now here we are going to write the number name, which is F-I-F-T-Y 50, N-I-N-E 9, 59. The number is 5959. For that, the number name is F-I-F-T-Y 50, N-I-N-E 9. Write down the new number 6060. 6060. What is the spelling of 60? What is the number name? It is S-I-X-T-Y 60. 6060. For that, the number name is S-I-X-T-Y 60. Here we have completed number names from 51 to 60, but we have to learn the numbers till 100. So now, now we are going to write number names from 61 to 70. On a new page, write down the new heading. You have completed the number names from 51 to 60 on one page. Now, write down the heading number names 61 to 70 on a new page. N-U-M-B-E-R number, N-A-M-E name, number name 61 to 70. Okay? After finishing the heading, you have to leave one line. Write the number 6161. Write the number 6161. Make sure that you have to start writing numbers 61 to 70 on a new page. Okay? What is the number name for 61, my dear? It is S-I-X-T-Y 60 O-N-E 1. This is 60 and 1. 61. 61, 61. S-I-X-T-Y 60 O-N-E 1. 61. While you are writing the number names, which thing you have to keep in your mind? That you have to leave some space between these two words. Okay? Don't forget to leave some space. After 61, draw a small sleeping line. After that, write number name. Now leave one line and then write the new number. It is 6 to 62. The number is divided in two parts. First one is 60 plus 2 becomes 62. So here we are going to write the number name. SIXTY 63 TWO 62. First of all, write down the number 62. After that, write down the number name. SIXTY 60 TWO 2. I am detecting very slowly so that you all can copy the work with me. Okay? I hope now you all have completed your writing part till now. Write the new number. First of all, leave one line. Write down the number 6363. The number is 6363. For that, the number name is SIXTY 60 THREE 63. Now everyone repeat after me 2 times so that you all can memorize it well. SIXTY 60 THREE 63. SIXTY 60 THREE 63. Completed, my dear? Very good. Again, leave one line and then write the new number. Number 6464. Everyone, copy the number 64 in your book. Very good. Now, write down the number name. After 64, draw a small sleeping line and then write SIXTY 60 FOUR 64. What is the number, my dear students? The number is 64. For that, the number name is SIXTY 60 FOUR 4. You all have completed from 61 to 64. Very good, huh? Now, again leave one line and after that write down the new number. Write down number 6565. The number is 6565. For that, the number name is SIXTY 60 FIVE 5. First of all, write down the number 6565. After that, write the number name for the same, which is SIXTY 60 FIVE 5. 65. Very good. Now again, leave one line and then write the new number. Next number is 6666. Write down the number 6666. Here we are going to write the number name, which is SIXTY 60 SIX 6 66. The number is 6666. For that, the number name is SIXTY 60 SIX 6. Leave one line and then write the new number. 6767. Write down the number 6767. Number name is SIXTY 60 SEVEN 7 67. First of all, write down the number 67. Just beside that, write down the number name SIXTY 60 SEVEN 7. I hope now you all have completed, so we are going to write the next number. Leave one line and then write the new number. 6868. Write down 6868. Here we are going to write the number name, which is SIXTY 60 EIGHT 8 68. Everyone, write down the number 6868. Just beside that, write the number name SIXTY 60 EIGHT 8 68. Everyone is completed. Very nice. Leave one line and then write number 6969. Everyone, write down the number 6969. Now write the number name, which is SIXTY 60 N-I-N-E, 9. 69. The number is 69. For that, number name is SIXTY, 60. NINE, 9. Leave one line and write the new number. 70, 70. For that, number name is SEVENTY, 70. The number is 70, 70, and for that, number name is SEVENTY, 70. So my dear students, today we learn or we make revision for the number names 51 to 70. I hope you all were writing with me, and here we are going to note down the homework for today. Note down the homework. Write given number names one time in Maths Fair book. You have to copy this work in your Maths Fair book where you have prepared the revision part. At your home, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.